It's Friday and we're going over the trades for the week. Very tricky week. It's down on the week, but it feels like the market has gone up more intraday than it has gone down. So if you look at Monday, market gapped down, rallied. Tuesday gapped up, went down. Wednesday gapped slightly above the previous day's close, went down. And then Thursday and Friday it's just a gap down, up, gap down, up. So Monday, Thursday and Friday gap down and goes up, and it's just the market's going the opposite of its gap each day. Market internals are weak. The market feels weak, but it's like there's a force. There's times when there's this force. The perma bulls get together, and they're just determined to drive the market up, and buy it up, and prop it up, with the backing of the Fed as well. So price is the ultimate fundamental, and it's a bit choppy this week. Tough to trade this. And we have adaptive moving average down on the day, minus 600 after a nice trading day yesterday. And we have night trader at second loss in a row. We had that long winning streak of 12 winners in a row. Now we've had 2 losers in a row. And so market's just inside out these last couple of days. Patterns, time of day patterns are off and different. 60-minute breakout had a nice day yesterday, 2 longs, and then it had another long at the end of the day, and was stopped out overnight, minus 900. And gap continuation, another strategy, minus 325. Got short, just right in here they wanted to hold 9,000 on the futures. You could just really feel it. It's just really a lot of jumping around, and then it broke, and then it broke through that 9,000 mark, the support that they wanted to hold, and but then they were able to get support at 89.40, 89.50 area, just above these lows right here. These pivot lows intraday yesterday, and they're able to drive prices higher. And now we're back up at 9,100, and it's calmed down a little bit. 40 minutes to the close. We'll see how this market closes, but there's just been a determination by the bulls collectively to drive prices up into the week, to take away the sell-off on Tuesday and Wednesday. So tough trading with this choppiness, a little bit distorted in the way the market normally moves intraday, and so that's what's going on. QS3 had a nice trade today, plus 875. This is all strategy XS2. The big trade on the day is tick pullback in Q. I know that some of these were rejected at the open because of the big price gap down. We'll be working on an update for that over the weekend. And so this did not fire in NinjaTrader. It fired in TradeStation because the NYSE tick has a slightly different symbol, and the NYSE tick moves differently in different platforms. And so tick pullback is long, right in here near the lows. It came back here. You had the opportunity, if it got rejected here, you had the opportunity to get in here and put this trade on manually, knowing what the stop loss is. And you had another opportunity, a second opportunity to get in when it came back to these levels. So those are the trades. The trade of the day really is to get that long signal on the E-mini Nasdaq. Then tick pullback ES, it was stopped out right away. So went straight down, stopped out, and then you see this move higher in the stock index futures. And so looks like they're working its way up at the end of the day as well, which helps tick pullback. It helps adaptive moving average. We'll see if these can go positive. Need another 10 points on the E-mini S&P. Another 10 points would be at that 28.63 area. I think that was the Jeffrey Gunlock short area too. It keeps coming back to that 28.63. And so all the fundamental news is gloomy, and there's a lot of uncertainty. I know the stock market is forward-looking, but the amount of uncertainty would make it hard, in my opinion, to look forward. We don't know when there will be a resolution to coronavirus. And Cobra Euro 4 minus 75 on the day. Asia Gold 4 minus 525 on the day. And we had Cobra Gold stopped out on this stop run down here. And so just a choppy market today, tough trading. SR Counter 3 natural gas stopped out. So one of those days where a lot of trades are going against us, and a couple of trades are going for us. All strategy access 5. No trades today. We had those natural gas trades yesterday that were stopped out. And so ES after hours did not trade. So overall, a tough trading session. We get a strong rally into the close. That'll push adaptive moving average up. It'll push up tick pullback in Q as well. So I'll be looking for a solution to those rejected orders as we talked about. And once again, if you get those, look for opportunities to get in at that entry price. You have that opportunity here, and you had another opportunity here. You take the trade and you put in the stop loss at $700 versus 35 points in the E-mini Nasdaq. So those are the trades on the day. 37 minutes to the close. Have a good weekend. If you're a subscriber, look for those updates.